Good morning, my friend. Do you know of any good tourist spots around here? Don't mind me. I just love camels. I know exactly where we're going. About a year ago, I took a vacation to Oman, and it was so beautiful, I decided to stay. Now, we had been running around all day. So before we get to one of the most beautiful wadis that Salalah has to offer, it was time to eat. And the food at the Shark restaurant and cafe just borders on perfection. And that view. Now, I mentioned that I loved camels, but did I mention that I love camel? Now, I feel guilty saying this, but our friend the camel is really tasty. And the Shark restaurant makes amazing biryani. With our stomachs full, we head down the winding path to Wadi Darbat. Now, the people who grew up here handle these turns with ease, but if you're new here, I recommend going slow. Because you never know who or what you might run into.
Your brother, we just ate your brother.
It was good. Now, technically speaking, it is the off-season, but we did run into a couple local guides while we were there. Now, Wadi Darbat is one of the top attractions in southern Oman. It's a vast outdoor haven filled with pools, streams, and as you can see, waterfalls. The water has a greenish blue tint, but you can see straight to the bottom. You know, as a man, I have to say that it's always good to see your wife at peace. And who would not be at peace here? Now, if you're wondering when the best time to come here is, it really all depends on what you're into. Now, there's no doubt that Wadi Darbat is most beautiful during Kharif, or monsoon season. There's just something about having the whole place to ourselves that's magical. The animals that roam at Wadi Darbat are almost as tranquil as the river itself. And I always find that if you watch camels long enough, one of them will do something to make you laugh. He's keeping with the beat. You almost want to add music to this. Now, when I said it was the off-season and that we had the whole place to ourselves, I wasn't joking. The wife and I call these hobbit houses, just little cottages by the river that you can rent. Now, I might have spoken too soon, because all of a sudden, out of nowhere, there was life. With an entryway like this, you can't almost help but feel like a celebrity. And while it was good to meet new people, it was good to meet our new friends too. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. And next is something I've been wanting to try for a while.
My honey driving a small speedboat.
There's not a speedboat. There's nothing speedy about it at all.
Maybe it will.
And then there was something I never wanted to try.
It's too shallow. Reverse, reverse.
I'm stuck. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
What?
Never practice distracted driving. Alright, worst case scenario, I can always just get out and push. It's not that deep.
This sucks. I will include it in the vlog.
Still though, You couldn't have asked for better background music. Long legs plus shallow water equals a way out.
There we go. Now we're cruising.
That was funny.
Now, it's not that I don't love the water, but maybe the next thing we try should be on, I don't know, land. And when I say we, I really mean my wife. Now, I'm from the big city, and we simply did not ride horses there. And I remember my first time on a horse being miserable. But my wife here handled it with grace. We were about to drive off when I realized I forgot something very important. Can't come here without getting this picture.
Another traffic enforcer along the road.
And while this was great, can't stay here forever.
That's what you said.
You're gonna...
And it turns out we're not the only ones who realized that it was time to go home.
Come close to it. That's a long parade of camels.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm going to turn the car.
What's amazing to me is I did not see a shepherd anywhere in sight. How did these creatures know where to go and when to go?
Like that.
I'm not sure, but I am grateful for the parade that they gave to us.
Parade of camels.
And just when I thought that was the perfect way to finish off a day, nature gave us the sunset. Thank you for spending time with us as we explored Wadi Darbat and Salalah, Oman. We'll catch you in the next one.